Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected with MacBook but not working. So in this video, I will show you how you can solve that issue. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to launch your Mac settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see right now it's connected with Wi-Fi, but it's showing weak security. And when I try to browse something, there is no Wi-Fi working on it. So how to solve? First of all, you need to open Wi-Fi network. You can connect it right now. Tap on three dot. Okay, tap on forget this network. Tap on remove. Okay, now wait for a few seconds, and after that turn off and then turn it on to find that same network again. Okay, you can see appears on screen this network right now showing here. Tap on connected. Okay, enter password and wait for a few seconds. It will connected. Okay, you can see right now it's connected. Now try to browse anything. If it's work, then it's good. If it's not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is also tap on settings, tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general, you need to tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending software update in your Mac. If you have pending, just update it into latest update. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is also check time and date. Make sure your Mac time and date is correct. If it's incorrect, then correct it and it's working. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last solution. The last solution is check language and region and make sure your current country and region also that there are you living right now. So by do that simple step, you can easily fix that your MacBook Wi-Fi connected but not working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.